If you're looking to make your Kick streams stand out with custom overlays and live alerts, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add overlays for Kick on OBS Studio, the exact method the pros use to display follower alerts, goal bars, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set these up, but you'll also understand the reasoning behind each step, so you can tweak and customize your overlays anytime you like. Let's dive right in. The most common and reliable way to bring overlays to your Kick stream is by using something called a browser source inside OBS Studio. Now, Kick works beautifully with third-party overlay services like Stream Elements, Streamlabs, or even Kick's own native Stream Alerts dashboard. These platforms basically let you design your alerts and graphics outside of OBS, so you're not stuck fiddling inside complex broadcast settings. So the first thing you'll want to do is set up your alerts, goal bars, or whatever overlays you want using one of these third-party sites. For example, let's say you're using Stream Elements. You'll create a new overlay or widget there, making sure to select the dedicated Kick integration option, which ensures everything syncs smoothly with your account. Take your time in this part. This is where you get to decide what pops up when you gain a new follower, when your goals update, or just add some cool graphics to your stream. Customizing overlays is a great way to show off your personality and get your chat more engaged. Once you've designed your overlay, the service will give you something called an overlay URL, or widget URL. It's basically a direct web link to your custom design, and it's what OBS uses to pull everything in live. When you see that overlay URL, go ahead and copy it. This is your golden ticket to broadcasting your new alerts. Now, let's switch over to OBS Studio. You'll want to pick the exact scene you want this overlay to appear in. Maybe it's your gameplay scene or wherever your audience is most active. With the scene selected, look for the Sources panel. This is where all your scene's ingredients come together. Click the little plus icon to add something new, then select Browser Source. The browser source is just what it sounds like. It pulls in and displays websites as part of your stream, which is perfect for overlays. Next, the system will prompt you to name your new browser source. Choosing a clear name like Kick Follower Alerts will help you stay organized later on, especially as you add more overlays. Once you're set on a name, hit OK, and you'll see a Properties window pop up. This window's the key spot. Paste your overlay URL straight into the URL field. Right below, set the width and height to match your stream canvas. Most setups use 1920 by 1080 pixels, but this might vary if you're doing something special. Making sure these numbers match means your overlays will fit perfectly and not look stretched or cut off. Take an extra moment here to double check. And don't worry if you need to tweak it later. OBS will let you resize or move the overlay whenever you want. Once everything looks good, just hit OK. Your overlay will pop up right on your chosen scene, ready to go live. If you don't see it immediately, sometimes it takes a few seconds or you might need to hide and unhide the source once. This is very normal, and a quick restart of OBS will solve any lingering issues. And that's it. You've now added Kick overlays to your OBS Studio setup, unlocking a more interactive and professional-looking stream in minutes. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm always happy to help. Subscribe for more streaming tutorials and tips to keep your channel growing. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.